Okay, so this is me with a Rubik's Cube. I'm going to be solving it as a visual for this video while I speak because I just got out of the shower and I'd rather not show my face right now because my hair is all gross and just bad things. So I'm going to solve this in 3, 2, 1. Okay, go. So today my day wasn't spectacular. It also didn't suck, but again, it was not spectacular, so it was okay. I had an okay day. I had almost 3 hours of English today, which was awful. I hate English to an extremely high degree, so that was interesting, but I made it through. And now I'm live, speaking to YouTube for veda. I don't really know what else to talk about right now. I'm going to see Versa Emerge next week. I have regionals for jump rope this week. I don't know. We had a few, like, pretty much no miss routines at practice today, so I suppose that's good. Oh crap, what did I just do? Okay. Oh my god, what am I doing? I definitely can't talk and do this at the same time. That's what I've learned from doing this for like 2 minutes. I can get this done now pretty consistently at like a minute and a half to 2 minutes, so. Almost done. Won't move. Done. Okay. I don't really have anything else to talk about. Vitamin water is good. So are these chips. The song just ended, so I am